Hello, everyone. Welcome back to Captain Clarity.
Why does it always sound like it's about to explode? Is that normal?
Okay, so it's just spinning water and soap? That's the whole science?
Wait, that's why it spins, to throw out the dirt, like a mini centrifuge. Woo!
And this stuff, it's not just soap. It breaks the surface tension so water can reach deep into the fabric.
Okay, that's definitely centrifugal force doing its thing.
You don't always need the full cycle. Quick wash, cold water, half the time, same result.
Clean isn't about time, it's about precision. Know your settings, save your day.